Hello, it's Bekah and welcome to our autumn farmhouse kitchen on the northern plains of Iowa. It's really nice to see you again and I hope all is well. I'm in my kitchen late this afternoon and getting ready to make dinner. And I have all these eggplants from our late summer garden that I don't want to go to waste, so I think I'm going to make creamy baba ganoush, which is very similar to hummus. I was going to make eggplant parmesan, but I'm going to wait till I get my canned tomato sauce going. So I think I'm going to do this along with mujadara, which is a comforting and delicious lentil and rice dish from the Middle East. It's really easy to make and I already have everything on hand, which is good. So as always, I'm so glad you've stopped by for a visit here at my home, the Carriage House. So after I washed and dried the eggplant, I'm sorry guys, I'm doing this voiceover early in the morning because my microphone wasn't working last night and I am just like sick. Overnight I just got really sick, so sorry if I'm sniffing a lot. But this eggplant is of a Japanese variety, so their skin is very thin, they're a lot smaller, which is perfect for baba ganoush, but the larger American variety is just as good. You just want to peel the skin off before cutting. And I always add pepper at the very end when it's done roasting, because if you add pepper at the beginning before roasting with like potatoes or anything, the food can become bitter at the end. But I will leave all these recipes down below. Okay, so gonna finish cutting the eggplant, season with a bit of olive oil and kosher salt. So while the eggplant's baking in the oven, I'm going to slice the onion and caramelize them. And again, this is for the mujadara. It has lentils and rice flavored with warm spices, caramelized onions and fresh herbs, and it has so much flavor. And it's vegetarian, which is good. But when my husband and I traveled to Jerusalem for our honeymoon about 16 years ago, I ended up having this at an Israeli restaurant and it was so delicious. So making this brings back a lot of good memories. The eggplant is finally ready for the baba ganoush that I'll serve alongside the mujadara with warm pita bread, and I did let them sit and cool off before doing this. And basically I'm just scraping the insides out and then I'll throw away the skins or probably give them to our chickens. Now, okay, so originally the eggplant for baba ganoush is really supposed to be charred over an open flame, and y'all may know this already, but that helps give it a real smoky flavor. But I didn't want to do that in our kitchen, especially since I have a lot of little ones running around. But roasting the eggplant is just as delicious. So gonna finish the baba ganoush with fresh lemon juice, parsley, salt and pepper, garlic, and the most infamous ingredient for this dish, which is tahini. So before I make the Mujadara, I just wanted to give a huge thanks to Naked Wines for sponsoring today's visit. My husband and I are having fun and doing taste tests from delicious indie wines from world-class independent winemakers. But tonight we're going to try Derek Rolfe's Syrah, which their vineyard is in the rolling hills of Sonoma County, California. And we also tried David Harvey's Malbec, which is from the beautiful town of Walla Walla in the state of Washington. And the Malbec ended up being delicious, especially with the Baba Ganoush. And the Syrah was perfect, a beautiful bouquet of berries and plums, as well as savory notes of cracked peppercorns. So I'll leave Naked Wines information all down below. You can use my discount code and you'll have an enchanting and curated pack of a beautiful selection of wines delivered right to your door. Okay, so I'm going ahead and moving on to making the Mujadara. I do want to tell you all the spices that I'm using. It ends up smelling so comforting in your home if you end up making this. So I'm sauteing green onions and garlic in olive oil, and then I'm adding coriander, cumin, cinnamon, turmeric powder, cayenne, salt, and black pepper. Then after this is done, I'll add plain yogurt along with the caramelized onions and parsley. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I'll leave more heartwarming videos for you here. You can always subscribe and become part of our slow living homemaker circle, where we cherish the simple pleasures in this journey we call life. Wishing you well and stay safe, my sweet friend. Bye.